everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Hey Gems family, how are you doing? Welcome to today's vlog, which will be a driving video. I'm going to take you around, and it was a beautiful one. As you can see right here, I'm looking out the window and taking in the sun on my skin and absolutely loving it. It's almost spring, everybody. So we are driving over to the St. Pete Beach area, and we're passing the toll bridge. And you know I love these palm trees and blue skies. This is the golf course right now that we're passing. And I love looking at the clouds and the palm trees and everything like this right here. It's one of my favorite views. And this right here, the palm trees, and driving on this road like this right here. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this driving video and looking at the beautiful water scenery as I drive through the St. Pete Beach and St. Pete, Florida area. Keep watching and be sure to like and subscribe. Today's positive quote is sprinkle a little love into someone's heart today. Be a friend. Be a blessing. Spread joy everywhere you go. The world would be a much better place if we all focused on a little more kindness. So think about how you could do a kind deed today. Maybe allowing somebody to come in front of you while you're driving, opening the door, a smile, forgiving someone, just applying a little bit of compassion to other people and not making it about ourselves. Be a blessing to somebody. Everybody is going through something and carrying some heavy weight. Could you aid in someone's joy today? Yes, we can. So spread that love and be a blessing to others. Channel member shout out, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius S. A Virgo from Georgia, Miss Nexie, Lara Yellow Sword, Tracy Positive Corner, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, and always that girl. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Thank you so much for tuning into today's vlog. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next one.
Let me take you to the beach. Let me take you out to eat.